Doncic. No good on the shot. A bit long that time. Pass to Conley. From the stripe. Can't get it to go. Now the Mavericks with it. They've held a 12-point lead earlier. And here's Irving. And he draws by.
Personal foul.
Both free throws good for Irving. Now Conley. 6 points for him. Got a piece of it. Shot clock at 5. Used the shot fake to create the angle, but couldn't get it to fall.
You know, they're not totally dominating the glass, but they're definitely doing enough to keep this lead right where it is.
Here's Powell. Hangs in midair and converts on the double clutch layup.
Guys, that time he went for the fancy finish for us there, man. That was sweet.
And the Timberwolves call time here. Mavericks making a switch here. And here is Conley. Right around a minute and a half played here in the third quarter. Here's Gobert. Clock at 6. Towns. Not enough on that one as it misses.
3 straight misses here to start the second half.
One-on-one fast break. Pass to Conley. The 3. 2 minutes into the second half of play now.
You know, sometimes rest can do more harm than good. It certainly looks that way for them. They've been cold coming out and have yet to find the bottom of the net.
Here's Irving. And count it. 2 points with a chance for one more at the free throw line.
The second he got around the pick and shook his man, it was straight to the bucket for the easy deuce. Very, very well done.
Clark, they've been struggling here on offense.
Yeah, a little bit of cottonmouth here. Dry spell for sure.
Now here's Conley. He's got 6. 0. 0. 6 to shoot. And misses it off the right side of the rim.
With the success they've had rebounding the basketball, they're right where you'd expect them to be. Firmly in control of this game.
Conley with it. Towns. And there's the whistle. Fouled hard on the shot. He'll go to the line. This is his first free throw of the game. And he makes the first. Mavericks making a switch here. He hits both from the stripe. Doncic uses the glass to finish the layup. 14 points for him.
Boy, I tell you what, nice little run here they're going on.
Knocked loose. Now here's Conley. Out of bounds, Timberwolves ball as Minnesota keeps possession. And the Timberwolves making a change here. Here's Conley. Brown outside. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. 5 to shoot. Now here's Conley. From deep.
He's been anything but his usual self this quarter. It's actually been ugly to see. His touch has disappeared on him this quarter. He just hasn't been able to get it going.
Washington takes it into the teeth of the D and converts the layup. 6 points for him.
And now we can see them really working it inside.
Now here's Brown. Brown outside. Right side, Conley. Towns. Another miss by Minnesota.
No breathing room at all to take that shot.
Well, through 3 quarters of play. And we're getting underway here in the fourth quarter. The scoreboard tells the story in this matchup, but we'll see how much things change up here. Now here is Conley. Conley left side. Conley left side. The finger roll finish at the bucket. And it's going to be 2 free throws. Drew contact on the shot. The first free throw is good.
Can you believe the job they're doing at the foul line since halftime? I mean, they've been perfect so far.
And the Timberwolves making a change here. And the Timberwolves with possession here. 19-point game. Towns. No luck.
You've got to give them a lot of credit for the job they've done on the backboard.
Doncic. He drains the quick shot.
He is setting this place on fire, fellas. His shooting has been off the charts.
Now here's Conley. Tipped away. Six on the shot clock. 0. The baseline jumper goes down. We've gone about a minute and a half into the fourth quarter. Inside. Here's Gobert. Now Conley. Here's Gobert. Here's Gobert. The feather touch on the finger roll. Beautiful.
One of the reasons they're behind is because we haven't seen enough of that. He needs to become a bigger part of the offense.
Shot's good. He's got 20.
He's been one of their more reliable options today, guys. I mean, his shooting has led them to this lead.
Outside Conley. Zero. A three-pointer off the mark.
It just hasn't been a very good day for him, guys. They need him to start burying some of those.
Now here is Hardaway. And here is Hardaway. Good.
Hardaway.
For those just joining us, fourth quarter here. We're just over 2.5 minutes into it. Conley with it. Here's Gobert. Pass to Conley. Takes the 3. Mavericks with the rebound.
Their rebounding has been off the charts today, guys. Reason number 1, this game is out of hand.
Outside Hardaway. Off target with his 3. Zero. Trains the three-pointer.
Boy, I tell you what, he loves getting looks like that from the three-point line. No one near him. That's a warm-up jumper for him.
Now, here is Irving. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Oh, and there's the alley-oop. From outside the arc, count it.
We came to fight, we came to win. We lost before, but never again. Back on